Hello friends, welcome to Indian Mom's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do so now and press on the bell icon for notifications for every new video that I upload. Today's recipe is a juicy coconut mithai that is ready in 15 minutes. This has very minimal ingredients and there is no mawa or condensed milk used. For this I've heated a pan, taken 3 cups of desiccated coconut, roast it for a minute, add a cup of sugar, continue mixing on a low flame. Here the sugar should melt but not burn. Then I've added half a cup of water, continue stirring. Once you see that the sugar has melted, then add the cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon. Two teaspoons of ghee to make the mithai a bit more richer. Mix well. Divide this mixture into 2, and into 1 portion I have added red food color. You could add any color of your choice, or you can even use roux afza or any kind of fruit crush. Combine well so that the color has spread evenly throughout the mixture. Allow both the mixtures to cool a bit, but while still warm, shape into small balls. Then grease your palms with a bit of ghee and take 1 portion of the red mixture and 1 portion of the white. Press both of these colored balls into one to roll out into any shape of your choice. Here I have made it into an oblong shape. Your juicy coconut mithai is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.